Moving from surviving to thriving is critical if you want to be the best mother that you can be. Hence, in today's video, I will share with you how self-care can be a part of balancing parenting and taking care of yourself. Stick around because I will share with you my secret sauce. First tip is to engage in activities with your children. You can combine self-care and quality time by engaging in activities that will bring you and your children joy. For example, you can plan a movie night. Movie night with the kids is also spending time with them, and you are taking that time for yourself to relax, watch a movie, and also to bond with your children. Engaging in activities like these will help the family to come together and to have memorable moments to share even when they get older. Number 2 tip is to make sure that you create self-care routines. Develop consistent routines that will help you to relax. For example, you can have hair care day, skin care day, or relaxation day. These techniques help you to boost relaxation, and you will also get a chance to do your self-care. This will help you to be refreshed, re-energized, and revitalized. Make sure, moms, that you create your self-care routine. Now, if you want to create a self-care routine and don't know how or even where to start, I will leave a link in the description below that you can get more ideas on how to create a self-care routine. Tip number 3 is to create a self-care menu. What you want to do is to develop a list of activities that will nurture your mind, body, and soul. These activities, you will refer to them whenever you need a boost. Take on the task that you have ahead of you. For example, you can have a list of different yoga or meditations that you can do to regain your energy whenever the time is needed for you to do so. Number 4 tip is to practice micro self-care. This involves you taking small breaks throughout your day. These breaks can be just 5 minutes. Walk away from your desk if you are at work. Apart from taking 5 minutes break, you can also do some stretches. You can do deep breathing and learn to get into the habit of practicing gratitude. It is very important that as moms, we take the time to do self-care. We are working and we are taking care of every single one that is around us. It is now time for us to take care of ourselves, and it does not have to be long period of time that we take. Micro self-care works. Just 5 minutes. It is quick, easy, and simple. My 5th and final tip is to ask for help. Don't be afraid to reach out to family members and friends and ask for help. Build a supportive network that you can call upon or use at any time. And to share my secret sauce, which is celebrate small accomplishments. The accomplishments that you achieve, which is small like a mustard seed, these are the ones that you should take the time out to celebrate, because they lead you to the bigger goals that are in your life. Take the time to celebrate. Celebration does not have to be humongous. It can be small. Just having a nice lunch or dinner with friends or just by yourself. It is the time you're taking to celebrate what you have done. So embrace this time and celebrate your accomplishments. Now, I have just shared with you some very vital tips that you can use to balance parenting and self-care. Self-care, it is not selfish. It is vital for your own well-being. Take time to celebrate. Take time to do self-care and to take care of you, because at the end, you deserve it. Further self-care ideas, I will leave a link at the top. Check out that link for further ideas on self-care. See you in that video.